guys.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Adams County,
Yo!
Central Pennsylvania, southeastern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania, Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, York County in south central Pennsylvania until 8 p.m. At 7:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms will locate along the line of
Jeez.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has thunderstorm warning for southeastern Adams County and south central Pennsylvania. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, Pennsylvania, Lancaster County, central Pennsylvania, until 8 p.m. At 7:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending to Littlestown, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour.
Holy crap.
Hazard, 60 miles. The fifth source, radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Low trees. Locations impacted include Lancaster, York, Lebanon, Hanover,
Yay!
Ephrata, Michaelstown. The following interstates. The Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 249 to 291. The Turnpike from mile markers 249 to 291. Interstate 78 from mile marker 0 includes the following interstates. The Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 249 to 291. 3 from mile marker 03. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties: Adams, Dauphin, Lancaster, Lebanon, Schuylkill, and York. The National Weather Service has a small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding,